Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're gonna continue working on part 9 of this office building. Let's get started. So in the last video, we were adding this. It's basically a casing. And here we're gonna continue working on this. I'm going to add it on this one as well. So it will look nice. Click on model in place again. Generic model. This will be number 2. Click, sorry, not extrusion, but a sweep. So let's do it again. Generic model. And then sweep. We're going to pick the pad. And then we're going to pick 3D edges. And then select this one as well. But on this one, what we could do is we're going to pull this one back all the way to this edge only. Okay. So now it's perfectly under there. And then we're gonna, this one we need to pull back up to there only. Click finish and then edit profile and then go and create a rectangle. Going up, and I want this to be exactly at the top there, so it's flush. I'm gonna drag this one until it hits it. Okay, that's perfect there. And then now I'm gonna select this as 50 and then create another rectangle. Go inner, delete this, SL, delete that. This will be 25. Here will be 25 as well. And the thickness here should be 25, which is already R. We already split this, so we just need to trim and extend. And then now aluminum that we added earlier is already selected. So I'm happy with that. So now just click finish. And then what I'm gonna do here is I'm going to push this back a bit. So everything is still aligned there. Okay. So now we have that. And another thing, we could add in some shelves. I'm gonna provide this one as well. Shelvings right here, and then we're going to split face here because I want to have my tilings here. Okay, click finish, and then this side as well. So actually, I think that's just enough. That's more than enough for that. I need to align this to this wall. So now it's in the wall or face the wall. This one we need to click on paint, and then anything that will has a tile. Ceramic tile. So we have ceramic tiling right here. What we could do is go to level 1 and then add in a section. And then just flip this and then double click here. Now we could just move this around here. Okay, so I'm happy with that. Then now let's go to level 1 again, and here in reception, let's make it beautiful. I'm going to add in so here let's add a section right about here. Let's flip this, move this back, and then double click on this section. Now we need to have this as a different paint. So I'm gonna paint this. Let's look at it in realistic. Fine. And then I'm going to click on this paint and use something like brick so that you can see it there. Also, what I'm gonna do is I'm going to model in place, generic model. This will be number 3. I'm gonna create an extrusion from this wall. And then here, I'm just going to create my logo. And then use this to offset probably 50. And then click finish. And then for materials, this one should be around 50 as well. I'm gonna use metal again. aluminum anodize, and then click finish. Then we need model text, pick a plane. I'm going to use the same plane, ACD. ACD. I'm going to select this one right here. Model text, ACD, set it, pick a plane. I'm going to select this plane. There we go. I got it there. Let's just go back to section. This one is too big. Let's just change the material to the same thing material. The depth should be 50 as well. And then here, the text should be around, I think, 250. It's too small. Let's make it 400. Let's try this one. I think it's just perfect. Perfect size. So we have it there like that. And then what we could do is click in model in place, generic model. And this one, we're going to choose extrusion. And we're going to set this one into this plane. So I'm not gonna show that anymore. I can see that we've chosen the correct one. And here, I'm just going to add some design there. Don't worry, I'm gonna lower this down a bit. And then here, I'm going to copy. And then after that, I'm gonna copy this from here. Then once you have a lot, you can copy it again. Okay. Now click finish. I want it to be, I think, 800 or more, but we'll see. Change this to wood. look at it at 3D, click finish, save project, and I'm gonna double check by changing this. So here we can extend this more. Okay, and then change this back. Okay, so now when we go to section again, we will have something that looks like that. We can lower this. Also here, we could change this material. So go back here. I'm just gonna choose carpet for now, only for this wall. And then here, what we could do is we could have a green wall. So this is going to be tricky. I want it to be all the way up like that. So we need to split the face. And then split here as well. There we go. Now click finish. I want to show so that we know where we're making a mistake. There we go. And then now we need to split face this again. Now click finish, and then we need paint. We need something green. Grass is not here, so we just need to change that one. I'm going to choose this for now, and I will represent that with grass later on. I just want to make sure, change this one as well. Change this one as well. So I'm just gonna double check here. Everything is good. I'm gonna unhide the roof. Close this off. Go back to level 1. And what we could do is select here And then here we just need to save it because we finished adding all our um, furnitures. So don't worry, I'm gonna provide all of this, and we only have our floor plan. So thank you for watching and hope you like the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below.